Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about boa constrictors, specifically the common boa constrictor. These snakes are popular pets, and for good reason. They're beautiful, relatively easy to care for, and can live for a long time. So, let's start with the different varieties of boa constrictors that are commonly kept in captivity. The most popular is the Colombian boa constrictor, known for its beautiful colors and patterns. Then there's the Central American boa constrictor, which is a bit smaller and has a more muted color scheme. And of course, there's the common boa constrictor, which is the most widespread and adaptable species. Now, let's talk about the terrarium. This is where your boa constrictor will spend most of its time, so it's important to get it right. You'll need a tank that's large enough for your snake to grow comfortably. A good rule of thumb is to get a tank that's at least 3 times the length of your boa constrictor. The terrarium should also be equipped with a heat lamp and a thermostat to maintain the correct temperature. Boa constrictors are cold-blooded, so they need a warm environment to regulate their body temperature. The ideal temperature gradient is between 85 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll also need a water bowl, a hide, and some substrate. The substrate should be something that's easy to clean and doesn't pose a risk to your snake. Aspen shavings, coconut coir, and cypress mulch are all good options. And that's it for today. I hope this video has given you a good overview of the common boa constrictor and its care requirements. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more reptile content. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of common boa constrictors, specifically how to care for these amazing creatures. Let's start with feeding. Boa constrictors are carnivores, and their diet consists primarily of rodents. Now, you might be thinking, rodents? But trust me, it's a natural part of their diet. You'll want to feed them pre-killed rodents, like rats or mice, that are appropriately sized for their age and size. It's crucial to make sure the prey is the right size, as a boa constrictor that's too small can be overwhelmed by a large rodent. Now, how often should you feed them? That depends on their age and size. Young boars need to eat more frequently, maybe even every 5 to 7 days. Adult boars can be fed every 10 to 14 days. It's important to observe your boa's behavior and adjust feeding frequency as needed. Next, let's talk about breeding. Breeding common boa constrictors can be a rewarding experience, but it's not for everyone. It requires a lot of knowledge, patience, and resources. First, you need to make sure your boa is healthy and mature enough to breed. You'll also need to create the right environment for breeding, which includes a specific temperature and humidity range. Once your boa is ready, you'll need to introduce a male to the female. It's important to monitor them closely during the breeding process, as boars can be aggressive, especially during mating season. If successful, the female will lay a clutch of eggs. These eggs need to be incubated at a specific temperature and humidity for about 2 months. Once the hatchlings emerge, they'll need to be cared for separately from the adults. Breeding boars is a complex process, and it's important to do your research and consult with experienced breeders before attempting it. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more reptile content.